Welcome to my video. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my video. We are heading over to Hoover Dam.
Sudah.
India. May मेरे दोस्त कल पाए रे.
How much for this?
That one. Teddy bear. What's the price?
$2,200 something.
$2,200
Yeah.
teddy bear.
It's not that expensive compared to like other Louis Vuitton teddy bears. So other
Okay.
Louis Vuitton teddy bears cost around $8,000 to $9,000.
Okay.
So I think so this is worth it.
Okay. You want to
can-
buy?
Yeah, I'll buy.
Okay, buy.
See the fabric.
Yeah.
And one more thing I have to show you is this is insane.
Yes.
I love it. Instead of buying that, actually, this is more worth it.
Yes. You can make your body
Because-
stronger
yeah.
with Louis Vuitton.
Like this is amazing. And I love this one especially. This is the best.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you.